Hi, baby.
Seagull, you fly across the horizon
Oh.
into the misty morning sun.
Oh, look at him show himself to me. Oh.
Nobody knows where you're from. Here is a man asking the question,
pretty bird.
is this
Pretty
really
bird.
the end of the world? Seagull, you must have known for a long time the shape of things to come. Now you fly.
Oh, beautiful. Beautiful birdie.
And you fly.
Goodbye, birdie. He's sunning himself.